If A vector is equal to minus 1 comma 1 comma 1 and B vector is equal to 2 comma 0 comma 1, then find the vector x satisfying the following conditions. It is coplanar with A vector and B vector. It is perpendicular to B vector, and third condition is A vector dot x vector is equal to 7. Solution. The first condition is x vector is coplanar with A vector and B vector. That is, x vector dot A vector cross B vector is equal to 0. This can be written as determinant of x vector. Let us assume the x vector as x1 I cap plus x2 j cap plus x3 k cap. x1, x2, x3, and the value of A vector is minus 1, 1, 1. B vector is 2, 0 and 1. Simplifying this, we get x1 plus 3x2 minus 2x3 is equal to 0. Let us consider this as equation 1. And the second condition is x vector is perpendicular to B vector. That is, x vector dot B vector is equal to 0. With the help of this, we can derive the second equation as 2x1 plus x3 is equal to 0. That is, 2 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 1 into x3. We get 2x1 plus x3 equal to 0. Let us consider this as equation number 2. And from the third condition, we can derive that A vector dot x vector is equal to 7. We can derive the equation as minus x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 7. This is the third equation. Now from equation 2, we can derive the value of x3 in terms of x1. From equation 2, x3 is equal to minus 2x1, and substituting this value of x3 in equation number 3, we get minus x1 plus x2 minus 2x1 is equal to 7. Which is equal to x2 minus 2x1 is equal to minus x1. Here x2 is equal to 7 plus 3x1. Therefore, we got the values of x3 and x2 in terms of x1. Let us substitute these values in equation number 1. Therefore, from equation number 1, we get x1 plus 3 into x2. The value of x2 is 7 plus 3x1 minus 2x3. The value of x3 is minus 2x1 is equal to 0. Now we can simplify this as x1 plus 3 sevens are 21 plus 3 threes are 9x1 minus into minus plus 2 twos are 4x1, and we get 21 plus 10x1 14x1. 14x1 is equal to 0. Now 14x1 is equal to minus 21. Therefore x1 is equal to 21 by 14. It can be simplified as 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21. Therefore the value of x1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Yes. Now with the help of value of x1, we can find the values of x2 and x3. The value of x2 then becomes 5 by 2. And the value of x3 is equal to 3. Using these values, we can find the values of x2 and x3. That is, substituting the value of x1 in this equation and substituting the value of x1 in this equation, we can get the values of x3 and x2. Now, x vector is equal to minus 3 by 2 I cap plus 5 by 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. This is the required x vector.